Installing your Blazer C4500AW light bar. Make sure mounting surface and magnets are clean. Locate position that allows all magnets to make solid contact with the mounting surface. Mount only on a steel surface that provides 360 degrees of visibility. Insert 12-volt plug from light into vehicle's 12-volt accessory outlet. Push on-off switch to start illumination. Push on-off switch to stop illumination. If unit does not turn on when the plug is inserted and switched on, unscrew the tip and check the fuse inside the 12-volt plug. Remove and replace the 10-amp fuse if needed.